Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Changing the notification sound allows users to personalize their device and make it unique to their preferences. By selecting a different sound, users can add a personal touch and make their device stand out from others. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, select sound and vibration menu here, and then select notification sound. And then you can choose a SIM card will you set a sound notifications for. Okay, and then select one of several sound options here. Okay, so now the notification sound on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.